अस्सलाम वालेकुम। जीअं त अॼु असां 6 क्लास में मौजूद आहियूं। शुक्र अल्हम्दुलिल्लाह असांजा 2 चैप्टर कंप्लीट थिया आहिनि। अॼु ॿारनि जी प्रेज़ेंटेशन आहे। ॾिसूं था ॿार कीअं प्रेज़ेंटेशन परफॉर्म कनि।
To start with great name of Allah Almighty, who is the most Rahman and most Rahim, dear students and my respectable teacher. Assalamu alaikum. Myself, my name is Ir, my father name is Ehsan Ali. I study in class 6. My topic is cytoplasm. It is like substance which pile up the cell. Many chemical reactions take place in it. साइटो मना सेल, प्लाज्म मना फ्लूइड और फ्लूइड जो सेल में मौजूद है जिन्हें साइटोप्लाज्म चेबो है वैक्यूल. There are space which contain air and liquid food particle. Vacuole nucleus. It is also called brain of cell. Hell, it controls all activity of cell. It contains chromosomes. There are three like material that pass present to offspring. It contains co-function. Mitochondria, powerhouse of cell. Discover culture. Plant cell, animal cell. They have cell wall, they have not cell wall. Plant cell में cell होती है, animal cell में कौन होती है? They have cell membrane, they have cell membrane. Plant cell में cell membrane होती है, animal cell में कौन होती है? They have chloroplast, they have not chloroplast. Animal cell में chloroplast होती है, उनमें कौन होती है? Animal cell. They have large vacuole, उनमें बड़ा vacuole होता है. They have small vacuole, उनमें नंढा कुछ vacuole होता है. And they have retinal shape, they have not उनमें retinal shape होती है, उनमें कौन